Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, Lord KG. How are you all? Are you fine? Very good. Okay, subject English. Open your notebook. Page number 14. Open your notebook. Page number 14. Okay, is it your classwork or homework? This one is homework, so mark here. Dear mother, kindly mention the date and day. Okay, your topic is write the beginning sound. Write the beginning sound. You have to look the picture and write the beginning sound. Okay, look at the first picture. What is this? Ball. Very good. This one is ball. Very good. And what is the beginning sound of ball? Very good. Ball. Very good. So you have to write b sound. Okay. B. And how to write b? B is down, go up, make ball. Very good. Okay, look at the second picture. Which picture is it? This one is cat. Very good. I know you know it. And what is the beginning sound of cat? Very good. Cat. And how to write k? You have to write k in 2 lines. Cat. Okay. We have one more picture. Do you know what is it? Is it sparrow? No. Is it hen? No. Very good. Duck. This one is duck. Okay, repeat after me. Duck. Very good. And how to write duck? Start from this dot, second line. First make a, then go up, touch the line, and come back. Make a, go up and come down. Duck. Very good. Look at the next picture. Do you know what is it? Apple. Very good. Do you like apple? Very good. And what is the beginning sound of apple? Apple. First make a, go up and come down. Apple. Very good. Okay, do you know what is it? No. Yes, this one is basket. Basket. And what is the beginning sound of basket? Basket. And how to write b? Again, b is down, go up, make basket. And look at the last picture. Do you know what is it? Yes, drum. Very good. And what is the beginning sound of drum? Drum. Very good. How to write there? First make a, go up and come down. You have to write there in 3 lines. Very good. Okay, do more practice at home. Allah Hafiz.